Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send money from Zelle to bank account. So first, open your Zelle application. If you don't have an account, just click Get Started, and then you have to make sure that your bank is listed here. So in order for you to receive money, in order for your bank to receive money, you have to make sure that your Zelle or your bank is connected to Zelle. For Zelle to work, your bank must be connected to Zelle. So you have to check bank compatibility. You need to scroll down here and then tap your bank and then visit the bank's website. So you need to enroll in Zelle via your bank application or online banking. So here you need to simply open, like what I've said, tap your bank, enroll in your bank, and then link your bank account to Zelle. Verify your account, then you can now send money using Zelle. So once your bank account is connected to Zelle, you're gonna open your Zelle. So you can also open Zelle using your mobile application. Once you open that, what you're going to do is you just have to look for the send option. So basically, you have to look for the send option, and then in the Zelle app or your bank's app, choose the option to send money. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number linked to their Zelle account. If they don't have Zelle, they will receive instructions on how to claim the money through Zelle and link it to their account. Now enter the amount, specify the amount of money you want to sell. You can add note, but this one is optional. Review and confirm. And then you need to double check the details here before you send. And if the recipient is registered with Zelle, the money will be deposited directly into their linked bank account, usually within minutes. And basically, that's it. You will be notified with this message, and all you have to do is to accept this money. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.